Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I am Samson from SVL. This is an introduction to SVL SMS/ERP resource planning software for schools. This is a modern and complete school automation software that suits almost every school or educational institution, from student admission to student leaving the school, from school fees collection to examination results. We developed inbuilt users, for instance, admin, accountant, teachers, receptionists, librarians, parents, and student panel with various roles in synergy to meet the entire school need. I would like to log in to this sample website just to have a glimpse of how it looks like and how functional it might be. This video is focused on just highlighting the features. Then the next coming videos would will be addressing or will be taking a deeper dive into each function, each feature and its functionality, one after the other. It has a state-of-the-art school admission forms, which can be found from this part to the left hand corner of the browser. You have the admission, inquiry, visitors book, phone logs, postal dispatch, complaints, and all of that. This is the admin panel I'm in, so it has all visible modules. So it has an efficient fees collection, tracking, and administration module, which is here. You have fees. You can search by fees payment, due fees, those who are owing. You have so many things you can configure it to fit your own need. You can have fees reminder as well. You can send SMS to respective parents involved. It has one-click attendance for both students and teachers. When they resume school, teachers can log in every student. Is Sophia in school? Present. Click on it, one click, and the person will be either present or absent. And with that, you could build reports at the end of the term to know how many classes every student attended or not. At the same time, teachers can clock in when they get to school if that feature is required. Teachers restricted mode. Students' data only accessible to respective class/subject teachers. So each teacher would have his or her own access. He will not have access to the entire database of the school students. Only the admin would have access to such. We have a complete HR system with payroll to manage staff salary, earnings, deductions, attendance, and even leave application. It can be found here, human resource. This is actually a full application on its own, but it's integrated into our system just to make everything convenient. You could print student certificates, letters, student ID cards. That if that is considered, if we have such feature in your school. Homework management. You could manage every homework, and each of this homework management is specifically designed for each class, so nobody would see or view any other class's homework system. We have calendars where you could set to-do lists and maybe upcoming events. You add it here, you include it here. Easter, you describe it, then you set the date and time if you so desire, then indicate with color. It could be public, private, all admin, or protected. You include it on the calendar based on the role that you've set. Then we have future rich business intelligence reports. Everything that goes on the system has reports that it can be generated from the student's information, finance, attendance, examination, human resource, library, inventory, transportation, all the buses that goes, the user logs, you know how many people logged on to the app or not. You have all those records here. Okay, let's just take a look at, I think I have one record for finance. Let's go to finance and see. I think we have one record here. Let's see, statements, online fees, reports. Okay, let's just see the fees statement. The system will automatically generate based on criteria. You select the class you want. These are just the two fields I've already imputed. Eventually, when we populate everything, you have different schools, different classes, different sections. Then you display, you search, you see the information about that student listed here. He has paid 45, he has unpaid 150 for tuition. We have learning resources 40, transportation, blah blah blah, listed here, you know. So that is for just the report. Then to couple everything up, it's modern, it's responsive, and user-friendly interface. On all devices, it will fit without any malfunction. So let's go to, okay, it's an enterprise grade built with global best practices. We have dedicated technical support teams available 24/7. All you do is create a support ticket and all those things will be addressed in due time. I'll go into all these settings eventually in the next videos, but this is just an introduction of how effective and efficient the system is. Thank you for your time. I look forward to having you in the next videos. Have a wonderful day. God bless you.